those X factor points unless you do something very dynamic, risky, and even in a certain sense calculated to accomplish what you want.
Now, Roberts goes to the view of the judges, tries to get out of the outside zone, non-stop. Picking up a new sponsor, non-stop tuning. They've been supporting drifting for quite a long time.
This is even the start line. Let's see what he can do in the all-new Ford Mustang. In practice early, he did get in a tussle with the wall.
So comes into view, into that first outside zone. Nasty flick. And unfortunately, Adam LZ spins.
Obviously, this was not
sketchy there.
Broadcast earlier, Jared, but in practice, when he had that collision with the wall, it was in a very similar area under similar circumstances. In the back, and then the front got into the wall.
Used to a super, but now he's part of that field suspension team on GT Legal Tires. Again, a very talented driver, changing it up here. Obviously, you can tell.
He's working together, a new vehicle, a new build for him.
For us. Coming into view of the judge's naked eye in that first outside zone transition.
There's a shovel.
Got that Pennzoil BC Racing Mustang RTR Spec 5 FD.
Whoa, buddy, look at that tapping bumpers. That's right.
You got the pizza right.
You saw you right there.
You said it was favors right a lot.
He's on those Nitto tires, got big meat hooks out back. Nice snappy transition.
Can we see a perfect run here? He wants it.
Being taken. Oh, look at that.
Wow, look at that. 10 on X factor, 2 points, 1 point, 2 points. Crazy.
Wow, great job. So yeah, 2, 1, and 2.
He looks pretty buff right there, too.
The guy looks jacked. All right. Here we go with a brand new title sponsor of this Borla exhaust.
Corvette is ribcage. Corvette. Oh,
That field loops it. And that's going to be an incomplete with second overall in the championship. That Borla exhaust heat wave, lean customs. Great looking car, new a major mistake.
Oh boy, I'll tell you.
Back to back and 3-time Formula Drift champion, Frederick the Norwegian Hammer Osbo. There's the live data, you can see the momentum. And then going red, here we go. In that first outside zone. How's he gonna do? Yep, the gold bumper.
Man, oh man, just like that, the day is done. I'm as red as my shirt. I'm tired, I'm waxed. So we're gonna kick it and chill and then probably go to sleep and do it again tomorrow. Peace out, y'all.